good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you fucking legends, wherever you are in the world. It's your boy the Spartan reacting to Chainsaw Man! Episode 10. Last episode was fucking crazy. It was so lit. It had a plot twist at the end. I'm not sure about Makima. I mean, she did fuck him up, but she was sus as hell, man. She was really sus. At the end, she's like, she expected what's gonna happen, or like she knew everything was gonna happen at some point, or like the event, I don't know, like something happened at the end of the episode that tells you like she knew. I'm assuming we're gonna see that in this episode, so let's just jump into it. And don't forget to like the video. Oh, Aki's alive. That's good. That's good to know. There's Denji chilling, eating apples. Oh, and Power. Damn, they're just all there chilling, eating apples, apparently. They're best friends. Who else died?
誰が生き残ってる？小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安辞めたんだと。
The guy with the glasses and Kobine, that's it.
俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃ。
Himeno. She died, man.
リンゴ。
Poor Aki.
一個だけ残しといてやるよ。
Don't open it. No. No.
カス。俺はあと何年生きれる？
Oh, he can ask. We'll just tell him. Oh, okay. 2 years? Damn, man. Bro, you can't use that sword again, dude. You'll die instantly. 2 years, that's it? My boy ain't lasting long. Should you be smoking in the hospital? Look at the details, dude. That's crazy. Damn, dude. He did love her in his own weird way. Damn, bro.
「忘れた漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。
Which I actually thought he was checking on it.
仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。あれ？
No, it's hitting him now.
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。
It's weird that he's not feeling
ポチタ
anything.
が死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫野死んでも。
Oh, Himeno, I miss her already.
つってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね。
Why is he not showing any feelings at all?
泣けねえか。
I don't think so. No.
あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。マキマさんが死んだら心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
I mean, he had a shitty life, so he's not taking this one for granted. But still, you should feel sad.
楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう。
憂鬱じゃ。
These two are here.
失礼します。
どうも。あれ 泣いてた。
一回うちら出てく。
なんだお前ら。
私たち牧間さんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
Bruh, everyone wants that fucking apple. What's wrong with you people?
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。
牧間さんが指導してくれるんですか？
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。 君
Oh
た
shit,
ちを
she's
指導するのは
introducing
彼
them
ら
to
よ。
someone who'll train them. Isn't that the guy that was standing with Himeno in the memory?
彼の名前は
Telling her about her partner? He's the one who gave her Aki.
俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に。
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
The
お
hell?
前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Damn. I mean, I'm not surprised by their answers.
お前たち100点だ。
あ？
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
Dude, he looks darker than
What?
Makima.
マキマ、お
Very
前
weird.
は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
じゃああとはよろしく。
牧間さん？
The
俺は
hell?
得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Dude, he's so dark. There's no like it looks like a dead body speaking. Did he just squeeze them to death? What the fuck? Hey, dude, hey, chill, bruh. Holy shit. Holy fuck. What the hell?
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。人間さんと違うのは
血の匂いじゃ。
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
She's so happy.
ちくしょ
She is a blood
う。何
devil.
しやがるてめえ。
マキマにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。
How stronger is he
お
gonna
前
get
の
after
心
this
臓
guy
がなぜ
trains?
か知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、
Why does
お
she
前
want
たち
him
みた
to
い
train
な悪魔
power?
は一度もない。酔った俺はどうしようかと考えた。そしてアルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた。
This dude is so fucking weird and dark, man.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Oh.
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
He is, dude.
じ
He's
ゃ
gonna
あ再
fuck
開
you
だ。
up though. He looks very
酔った
strong.
じじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ、
Seriously? That's what you're gonna kill him with? What the fuck? Oh shit! Dude, he's so fucking fast. He slit her throat.
男の方は不死身、 魔人の方は半分不死。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃを作ったんだ。
He didn't even do anything, he just moved with a knife.
最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
Yo. Hey, what the hell?
コン
The fox is gone, isn't it? We can't call him
ほら
anymore.
出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
Damn, really,
そ
huh?
の刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの。
指導ってのはそういうことか。
お察しが良くて助かる。そう覚悟。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたい
Yeah,
な。
of course, they need you to get stronger. You
公
know,
安
you
やめて
know
残りの
abuse
人
if
生
you're
楽
weak.
しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか。
Dude wants revenge.
そうですか。
See it in his eyes.
わかりました。
Who's that? Who is that? Hey, yo, show me who
寝
the
るか
fuck
ら
is
帰る。
this?
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
We beat the shit out of him. Now they understand how weak they are. Especially Denji. He's like a newbie. He's hungry.
Yeah.
The fuck's wrong with you, man?
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ。
What the hell? What the fuck is happening? His brain is broke again. Yo, what did they do to them? What the fuck?
俺は今日何回殺された。
20回以上じゃ。
Damn.
が死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから正確にはわからん。
Hey, yo. What? This guy just killed both of them like 20 times.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたの
You
に
gotta have to be
楽し
stronger,
くなくて
man.
頑張るのはクソだ。
一緒に逃げるか。
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね。
He needs to be strong enough to not need to pull up a chainsaw every time.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
Okay, then train well so you can beat
何
him.
が
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。あいつは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。俺も最近めちゃく
It's
ちゃ
like two idiots planning Dumb and Dumber.
戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげ
You,
え
you need
頭
an
良くなってき
intellect
た気がする
first.
ぜ。
うぬほか。わしはもう作戦100個思いついたぞ。
It's nice to
あ
be
いつら
confident.
の家は確か
They're trying to outsmart him from the
この
start, let's
血の
see.
匂いは来たな。
Oh shit, I got glasses on.
俺たちの
Alright.
日
Oh,
常
he
を
does
壊すや
too.
つは
Oh, they're looking
死だ。
smart. They're acting smart. Alright, you need glasses to act smart, especially in anime and manga.
開始じゃ。
Hey, this guy, holy shit, man.
頭狙ってきやがった待ち伏せしやがって今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな
Hey, what the fuck? They're actually smart. That's actually not a bad plan. It's just too strong for both of them. That was a good plan so far. Hey, you're too slow. Too slow. Yo, he kicked the glasses out of his face. Come on, Denji, you gotta be faster than this. They did use their brain. I did not expect.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることとデンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。
We're done for the day. We're already done, dude. We just started.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Oh! Yeah, you shouldn't have relieved him, man.
はい。
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
You shouldn't have trusted him. I like him. He's dark. He's an asshole, but he's insanely strong. I like him.
強い悪魔と契約してもらう。
Oh, we're signing a contract now.
契
Okay.
約内容になると思いますけど。
We haven't seen any process of signing a contract with the devil yet. This is the first
ライ
time.
オンの檻に飛び込むんです。身を守る武器は必要やろ。
So you have to fight the devil?
いいの。妹の方です。
Oh, that's Himeno's
じゃあ
sister.
殴られました？
いえ。手紙をもらいました。
Love
手紙
letters. Love letters.
イルンは未来の悪魔。
You
公
true
安で
devil.
こいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分。もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Oh, eyes, sense of taste.
気に入られれば
And
安く済みますよ。
The fuck?
じゃあ、どうぞ。
One gave half his life, the other one, what the hell? This devil must be insanely strong, man. To give up all that for a devil. I think he'd survive it. No, come on! Oh, look at Denji got dogs. That was actually a great episode. That was perfect after the last episode we watched. The training, I'm excited to see more of their training. Of how stronger can they get. Let's see. I have high expectations. I want to see how strong Denji can get without the chainsaw. Like without pulling the chainsaw. Just him alone, just how smart can he be. We didn't see much of Makima, but I mean we saw a lot of her in the last episode, so I want to see more of Aki, and we got that. I want to see what happened to him, what's his deal, because I didn't see him at all in that episode. Himeno, bro, every time they mention Himeno, I get depressed. Kobine, I'm assuming she left. So next episode is gonna be fucking exciting. We got Aki, he's gonna contract with the devil. We're gonna see how we manage that. Thank you guys for watching. That was a lot of fun. Don't forget to sub and like. Appreciate you so much.